Welcome, all students, learners, viewers, curious, critics, to this presentation on a very unique topic. My channel only contains videos on hotel front office, but this is a presentation on a banquet menu, and I would like to share about a concept called menu legends in this video. So right on your screen, you can see this front page of the document, some HIPC banquet held in December 2017 in Jaipur. It also has Hindi script. So moving on to the next page, I'll zoom in for you, and this is what I want to show you. With the help of a pen, I would like to actually show you what I want to show. Like for example, sarson fish tikka starters, and this is what is meant by menu legend. So you will find that every dish has legend in front of it. Uh, these two only have two. This one has four legends in front of it. Okay. As I'll go down, you will see more such options. So you will see that every item in the menu, every dish in the menu has these menu legends. All right. Why these legends are given, I'll explain shortly. Let me first show you all the pages of this banquet menu. Once again, the legends. In front of every item, these legends you'll find. And in fact, they make the appearance quite interesting and I would say scientific. It also makes the guest curious. This is the back of this banquet menu document, HIPC. So, to understand what these terms are, this is the most important page. This is a photograph, and it is from the same banquet menu. So, first, legend is vegan. I hope I got my pronunciation correct. Vegan means no meat, no seafood, no eggs, or no dairy, which means I think almost all animal and fish products will not be there. So, if an item is vegan, it means it contains none of these animal products. Vegetarian symbol or legend is different from vegan. I think you must notice that. It means no meat, no seafood or egg, but may contain dairy. Dairy is like milk and curd, so that is what is vegetarian. So vegan is, I think, latest fad in eating, in dining. Many people are going vegan. The most famous name in India is Virat Kohli and his wife Anushka Sharma. They both are vegans. They do not take any animal product. And I think rest is simple. Animal, non-vegetarian symbol is this red. This we also find, I think, on medicines. These two symbols. If it contains no animal element or parts, it is labeled as vegetarian, and non-vegetarian is there. R means it is a Rajasthani unique speciality, only found in Rajasthan, so it's a local delicacy. A symbol of chili, red hot chili, means the dish is spicy. And B indicates non spicy. I think I would like to explain why B is used here. B is like bland. Bland means something which is not spicy. So, bland taste is non spicy. And the last legend is it contains nuts. Nuts like cashew nut, pistachio nut. And you might be wondering why these legends are necessary. The answer is here: food allergies. So, this banquet menu is asking the guest to please inform service staff of any food allergies So, my dear students, many people are allergic to many of the food items. Like some people are allergic to wheat also. There is something called gluten in the wheat flour. People are allergic to that also. And allergies, what allergies are, you need to discover yourself, especially if you want to make a career in food production and F&B service. You must understand this term, what allergies are, what food allergies are, so that you'll be able to not only serve well, but also protect your guests from harmful effect of food that they are allergic to. So in this video, I wanted to share with you these menu legends on menu items so that you understand the concept behind menu planning. Thank you very much. For any doubts or clarifications, please use the comment section of this video. Have a great day.